Hi friends, welcome to Little Ukes. Today we're going to be learning the chords to Hot Cross Buns. In a previous video we learned how to play the melody. I will link to that video in the description below if you'd like to check it out. Today we're going to be using two chords with one finger to play the harmony part so that we can sing along with ourselves, or maybe even play with the second ukulele player who might be playing the melody. Let's check it out. To play the chords in this song, you will need your first finger. Our first chord is going to be the F add 9 chord, which is found on the first fret of the second string. On my ukulele, I have a little green dot sticker there. The other chord that we need, C7, is just right next door, so you can kind of just hop to the first string to the first fret to play C7. F add 9, C7. Let's go ahead and try those a few times. So start on your F add 9 chord, first fret of the second string. And when I give a big nod, we're gonna switch to C7, just hop next door to the second chord, which is on the first string. Are you ready? All right, let's hop back when I nod. Excellent. If you can do that, you are ready to learn the song Hot Cross Buns. Now this song is a little bit more challenging than some of the other two chord songs we've done because the chord changes happen very fast and often. So you'll see me nodding a lot as we're playing. Sometimes we only stay on the chord for one word or one syllable before we hop to the next chord. So watch me very carefully. Every time we change chords, I will give you that special nod to show what's going on. All right, here we go. Let's try it. Getting a nice ukulele rhythm, match our heartbeats. I'm on the F add 9 chord, the green sticker, first fret of the second string. 1, 2, here we go. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Wow, if you could keep up with that, great job. That is pretty challenging. Let's play it one more time, and I'm gonna do it this time without nodding, just so that we can really feel the flow of the song and listen to it without any distractions. So go ahead and grab your uke and try playing along with me a second time. We're starting again on our F add 9 chord. Take a second to get comfortable here. Now we're gonna play it again. I'm not gonna nod this time. I'm just gonna kind of experience the song in a simple way. 1, 2, here we go. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Great job, friends. If you like that song, I will link below to the melody part, the chord tutorials for those chords, and some other songs that use those same two chords. There are so many songs that we can play with two chords, so if you can play the F add 9 chord and the C7 chord, you are good to go with learning dozens of ukulele songs. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in more ukulele lessons. Happy practicing.